This MesaTech Corporation tutorial video follows your MPact Products Pump Island service and cleaning guide step by step. MPact cleaning products are specially formulated to meet the needs of heavy foot traffic industries, such as convenience stores or restaurants. Follow all your company's mandated precautions when working around driveway traffic or near gas pumps. Always use personal protective equipment and refer to your safety data sheets for precautions and guidelines. Step 1. Survey the area and pick up any trash or debris. Step 2. Empty Pump Island trash, tying up bags, locate to the main garbage bin. Step 3. Empty dirty windshield wash reservoirs, rinse and refill with fresh cleaner. Step 4. Inspect condition of windshield squeegees. Place any damaged or missing squeegees. Step 5. Refill all windshield towel dispensers. Wipe down the outer surface with MPact Dozer degreaser. Step 6. Use MPact Dozer degreaser all-purpose cleaner to clean outer surfaces of trash cans. Step 7. Replace all can liners. Step 8. Refill any sanitizer dispensers, cleaning the outside surface with MPact Dozer degreaser. For any stainless steel dispensers, shine with MPact Steel Clean. Step 9. Inspect drive areas for oil and grease stains. Spot clean with MPact Big Bang Concrete Cleaner. Step 10. Refill pump receipt paper and inspect pump for any visible damages or malfunctions according to your company's compliance inspection checklist process. Step 11. Clean the gas pump using all required safety precautions with the MPact Gas Pump Cleaner to all surfaces. Shine the stainless steel top and sides with MPact Steel Clean. Step 12. Disinfect frequently touched items and areas such as pump handle, pump keypad, dispensers to surface TB. Let stand 5 minutes, then wipe dry. Step 13. Inspect lighting and other equipment for proper operation. Report any malfunctions or damages. For more information on other products in the MPact cleaning line, contact your MesaTech Corporation sales representative. MesaTech Corporation, putting convenience in your store since 1992.